So around the holidays, we cook rutabagas, and I've seen people fight with peeling rutabagas. So this is my trick. I use a bread knife. It's about 8 inches. These things are covered in wax, usually from the grocery store, so I wear a glove because it gets kind of sticky. I cut one end off. This is the root end. It's sprouting. And then I let the bread knife do the trick. You can see that there is a ring. That is the skin. And you just gently let the knife do the work. Again, looking for that ring. Just slice it off in little bits. And since this is a bread knife, the this side is straight, and this is the side that has the edge cut into it, and I'm a righty. So if you're noticing that it curves around the rutabaga, that's because that shape of the blade wants to do that. If you're a lefty, sorry. And it just gets just that easy. Don't sweat it, just nibble away at it. And then you can always use the serrated part if you need to, saw back and forth a little bit. And that was on the root end, and I over committed. That's it. Okay, after I get it peeled, make sure you clean your knife because it's got wax on it. It's kind of gummy. Warm water, soap. This is a carving knife. It has scallops on the blade, which makes it easy for food to fall away from it. And this is a nice sized knife that I usually let do the work. Put it through and just wiggle, not putting a lot of pressure on it, because last thing I want to do is lose a finger. Not putting a lot of pressure on it. And once I get something easy enough to handle, this being a slicing knife, cuts through it like butter. Ran out of room there. Just a little bit of force downward and forward. Need to, you can put your palm on it and press down. Just that simple. Again, letting the knife, let the tools do the work. Slicer and slicing. There you go.
Rutabagas done Southern style. A little bit of chicken stock simmered until they're knife tender, and then a dollop of butter at the end. Not whipped like you people in the north. Don't mash these things, you eat them. like chunks and cubes and stuff. No, we're not gonna mash them, wife. She keeps asking, can we mash them? Can we mash them? No.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.